Hey, hello guys. So I just left the magical spring, bought myself some water, and I'm gonna continue my journey to the hopefully perfect spot to set up the camp and enjoy the nature, watch the birds, make some photos of the birds, and cook some dinner since I ate basically nothing today. Yeah. On the left is the distance from me and that camping spot where I started my journey basically. So only walked measly 2.4 kilometers. Look at this bird house. There's like everywhere blueberry plants. Of course there's no fruit yet because it's very early in the spring, but I mean like it's everywhere. So arrived all the way from here, from that place to the spot where I was planning to stop to look around. Anyways, and it's only 35 cents or something, and that's the view you have from the spot. Looks cool. Oh, I love nature. It's so peaceful in here. Oh, and that's for the story listening. Catching me. Anyways, look at this. Just the forest. Just the river. Not like a huge river, but it's a wilderness river. I mean, it's a Lithuanian river. Let's concentrate on this. Alright, I'm gonna make so many photos. Alright then, I'm gonna start making photos. Yeah, so that's on a tree all the way high up above the path. So that's quite dangerous. Hey guys, so I just got down from the viewing platform, and this cool thing. You just pick like pebbles and drop in there to wish something. First one is promise to choose the most seasonal and local environmentally friendly food possible. Promise to buy as few items as possible. I rather choose the second-hand, repaired or damaged one. Yeah, basically I'm already doing that, so that's okay. With that, you know, it's difficult since I don't earn much money. Costs a lot. What's the next one? Promise not to use the peat substrate but compost produced by myself. Yeah, basically we're doing that already, so that's that's okay. I promise to choose the environmentally friendliest way to travel. I do that already. I traveled over here in my circumstances the most environmentally friendly way possible. Alright then, what's the next? Promise to stop using disposable cups and always carry reusable cup with me. Yes, we stopped. Anyways, I promise to stop using disposable cups and always carry a reusable cup with me. I carry the steel one, so that's of course reusable. I promise to stop using disposable plastic bags and put my items in reusable paper. Reusable or paper bags from now on. Okay, I need to work on that, but I'm reusing the plastic one, so partially I'm okay. Alright, so I'll drop the pebble in there. Cool. Promise to use only eco-friendly household chemicals at home. We do as much as we can. It's not all of them, but most of them are. Promised to take care of my cat so it can hunt wild birds. What? I promised to take care of my cat so it can't hunt wild birds. But my cat is really difficult, and I hate that. My cat does that. Really bad cat. I'll drop like more of them. I'll try, but I don't know. I'll need to talk with him or what. One of those. Anyways, really nice view. I don't know, on the camera it doesn't look as nice as it looks in reality, but anyways, it's really nice. Right then, I'm gonna take my stuff and I continue on the road to find the place to stay. See you in a bit. Yeah, so I'm continuing on my way. Beautiful views all the way through, and it's really early spring. Only the pines are green, some grass, some shrooms, some little flowers here and there, you know. Yeah, soon I'll find the place. Yeah, I found something interesting. Huge ant colony. Oh, seems like they're finishing their hibernation. You can see some of them, but it's just only a few over here. Clearly on top there's many of them. It's waking up from the sleep. Nice, nice. Oh, I can see first mosquito. Fucking god. Yeah, there's like millions and millions of them over here. Yeah, so I just arrived to the path for the staircase, walking down. Need to see that spot. The staircase down. It is a little bit broken, so they're suggesting not to go there. And I'm just gonna be walking safely and slowly. Yeah, I'm approaching the place. It's on me. The blue flowers, they're called jibutas. Basically, the name comes from the word of shimmering. So that's nice. Way up. Need to not fall, so myself and all my stuff wouldn't get fucked up. Oh yeah, it's a long way down. I can see, just as I remember. Yeah, the staircase is fucked up a bit. Some of the stairs are broken, rotten. So that warning was correct. Yeah, need to be extremely careful. Looking not into the camera, but where are you walking, basically. Yeah, even though it's difficult to. Oh jeez. Oh, okay. Yeah, now I get it. Now I'm getting it. Some of them as well loose, and the loose ones can flip. So yeah, maybe I'm just gonna walk sideways. So it make me more stable. I don't know if they're gonna make me stable. Hopefully. Yeah. Definitely gonna make some short break once we're gonna get down. I'm gonna put our stuff. We're finishing the last steps. Okay, alright. Well, you can see some trash in the water, which is normal, but not good. Alright. Okay, what the fuck's that? There's some probably some notice. Conglomerate. Oh yeah, so same in English. Cool. And mythological stone cow. We definitely go to mythological stone cow. It kind of looks like the back of the cow with no head. So I can imagine that's fair to say that it looks like a cow. Okay. Yeah, the views more than incredible. Yeah, so I found there's like some cave, probably not a beaver, but some other rodent, water rodent, which is cool. Ощутишки Conglomeratus. Yeah, it's quite big. You can hear in the background eagles. Looks cool. You don't see that kind of rock formations too often back in this country. Right. I can hear the eagles, but I can't see them. Maybe they're good at their stuff. Yeah, I can see some more of the conglomerate. It's cool. Should I go there and then explore? Yes, I do. Why fucking not? Falling down trees. Right. I can hear eagle chicks, or probably hawk chicks. Anyways, so that's the conglomerate. Hopefully not gonna fall down on me, which would be not really desirable. Can't see visually any birds, but I can hear them all the way around me. Alright, I'm gonna go back to my stuff. If I'll see the nest, I'll just make a video of it. Alright, turning on my way. First obstacle. Let's not fall in the water with all the electronics. Oh Jesus. Yeah, so since it's spring and all the water is melting, we get more water on the river, so it's like way wider than usually it is, and that's why the pathways are so close to the water, which is not normal, not usual. But oh yeah, so that cow rock, I'm thinking it might be under the water, since the river is flooded a little bit because of the spring. Anyways, fucked up bucket. Yeah, bumblebee already doing his job. Oh yeah, I believe I found that big rock is visible. It's underwater, but it's visible. Okay. Right. Oh, I can't see from this angle, but it's literally there. Yeah, it's just over there in the middle now, but it's just under the water. Nice. Gonna continue on my way. Either I'm going there or taking Some of them are edible, but I'm not really sure which ones, so I'm not gonna try. Some animals digging for the roots, probably. Some hogs. Oh yeah, the valley of those blue flowers. Oh yeah, that looks cool. Yeah guys, I got my stuff unpacked. Now I need to set up my hammock, my sleeping bags, and a tent, just in case of the rain. I got my phone over there recording the sounds, and it seems better. Some trees breaking and falling. Sometimes it sounds like someone is hunting something. Looks beautiful. Alright, see you in a bit.